that according to International Dalit Solidarity Network, there are about 100 million Dalit Muslims who are discriminated more than the other Dalit Hindus are. So let him not talk about selective about what is happening to Dalit Hindus. Dalit Muslims face as much discrimination as any other Dalit community. Now, 27th June 1961 was the letter written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru where he is totally against caste-based reservations and calling them second-rate, third-rate people taking up job. Now, अब वो एडवीना ने थोड़ी ना लिखा, नेहरू ने लिखा, या तो चैलेंज कर दो, नेहरू की किताब से उठाया है. एडवीना माउंटबैटन had gone to UK. What are you talking about?
अच्छा बात नहीं है.
Quote, I dislike any kind of reservation, more particularly in service. I react strongly against anything which leads to inefficiency and second-rate standards. I want my country to be a first-class country in everything. The moment we encourage the second rate, we are lost. If we go in for reservations or a communal and caste basis, we swamp the bright and able people and remain second rate or third rate. The only real way to help a backward group is to give opportunities for good education. Help should be given on economic consideration and not on caste, unquote. Who said this? Jawaharlal Nehru on June 27th, 1961. किसी में दम हो कांग्रेसी में या सपोर्टर्स में तो कह दे जवाहरलाल नेहरू गलत थे.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
हिम्मत है तो कह दो. Look, why are we shirking away from the truth? You mentioned 370 and Congress trying to get it back. Dalit rights is like Hafiz Saeed talking about non-violence. This is EMS Namboodiripad, founder of CPIM. Caste system is a superior economic organization, unquote. Quote, working class is superior to the Dalits, unquote. Quote, no wonder Dr. Ambedkar said, I am an implacable enemy of the communist. ये आएंगे दलित राइट्स के लिए, थोड़ी शर्म कर लो. You are against Article 370 abrogation as well. You have for 70 years, communists deprived lakhs of Dalits. They are just rights.
दलित मुसलमान कास्ट सेंसस चाहते हैं, पसमानदा मुसलमान कास्ट सेंसस चाहते हैं. नेहरू जी का नाम चल रहा है, आज इंदिरा जी का नाम लिया जा रहा है.
सुनो मेरे भाई,
अपना नाम लो यार.
अभी बता रहे हैं.
तो चलिए शुरू कर.
I am now talking strictly this day. When West Bengal government has given 91 castes in OBC, and out of that 85 were Muslims, and OBC commission asked how it happened. Then what they replied? Before converting, they were in OBC, so that's why we have got it. Then OBC commission asked how much this level of conversion, and they were speechless. And Mr. Ameek Jamai, यही तो मैं बताना चाहता हूं, किसने मारा ओबीसी का हिस्सा? 85 ले गए 91 में मुस्लिम, और wherever the Muslim gets dominance, reservation is finished. AMU, it was finished in 81. No SC, ST, OBC reservation. In 2011, Jamia Millia Islamia, it's finished. No SC, ST, OBC reservation. The only Muslim state, Kashmir, it was finished. No SC, ST, OBC. And you know, Congress government given in a backdoor that whosoever will be called a minority institution, then they will be accepted to give reservation. And in 2013, 12 or 13, they have given, मैं just data बता रहा हूँ, 19,500 institution they recognize as minority. और 2020-21 पे हम कितना दे रहे हैं? 12 या 19. 12-19 versus 19,500. So everybody is very well aware that who is snatching away the reservation of ST, ST and OBC.